Hi everyone. Today we are studying about system testing. System testing consists of three types: functional testing, performance testing, and acceptance testing. In functional testing, it validates functional requirements. In performance testing, it validates non-functional requirements. Acceptance testing means validates client's expectation. When we are system testing, we are testing all subsystems together. The requirements have a larger impact on the quality of system testing. The more explicit the requirements, the easier they are to test. We distinguish the following types of system testing. Let us walk through each of these system testing types. The first testing is functional testing. The goal is to test functionality of a system. The test cases are designed from the requirements analysis document and centered around requirements and key functions. The system is treated as black box. Unit test cases can be reused, but new test cases have to be developed as well. Essentially the same as black box testing. Unit test cases can be reused, but in end user oriented systems, new test cases have to be developed as well. And the second type of testing is performance testing. The goal is to try to violate non-functional requirements, test how the system behaves when overloaded. Can bottleneck be identified? First candidates for redesign in the next iteration. Try unusual orders of execution. We had call a receive or before send. Check the system's response to large volumes of data. If the system is supposed to handle 1000 items, try it with 1001 items. Next is what is the amount of time spent in different use cases? Are typical cases executed in a timely fashion? So this is the performance testing. And different types of performance testing is there. Stress testing is the first one. This is stress limits of a system. Then is volume testing is there. Test what happens if large amounts of data are handled. Then configuration testing, test the various software and hardware configurations. Then compatibility test, here test backward compatibility with existing systems. Then timing testing, evaluate response times and time to perform a function. The security testing is there, try to violate security requirements. Then environmental test tolerances for heat, humidity, motion. Quality testing is there, test reliability, maintainability and availability. Recovery testing is there, test systems response to presence of errors or loss of data. And human factors testing, test with end users. So stress testing means stress limits of systems, maximum number of users, peak demands, estimated operations. Then volume testing is there, test what happens if large amounts of data are handled. And configuration testing is test the various software and hardware configuration. Compatibility test backward compatibility with existing systems. Security testing is try to violate security requirements. Then next is acceptance testing, which the goal is to demonstrate system is ready for operational use. The choice of test is made by client. Many tests can be taken from integration testing. Acceptance test is performed by the client, not by the developer. There are two types of tests, that is alpha test and beta test. In alpha test, client uses the software at the developer's environment. Software used in a controlled setting with the developer always ready to fix bugs. Then is beta test, which is conducted at client's environment. Software gets a realistic workout in a charged environment. So majority of all bugs in software is typically found by the client after the system is in use, not by the developers or testers. There are two kinds of additional tests, alpha test and beta test. One disadvantage is potential customers might get discouraged. Testing has many activities. We have to establish test objectives, design test cases, write test cases, test, execute the test, evaluate the test result, train the system, do regression testing. Then there are this team is also there, user analyst, professional tester, test team, system designer, configuration management specialist. So this is all about system testing. I will come with the next video. Till then, bye.